Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying network basics and resetting what your system uses to resolve names. First, ensure cables or Wi-Fi are active and reboot the router. This clears transient ISP glitches. Next, flush your local DNS cache so stale entries don't persist. Run the appropriate admin command for Windows or Mac OS. If problems continue, change your adapter's DNS to a reliable public resolver like 8, 8, 8, 8 or 1, 1, 1, 1. This isolates DNS resolution from your ISP's server. Once network and DNS basics are handled, focus on the browser and local system. Open Chrome's net internals and clear the host cache to remove browser-side DNS entries, then restart Chrome. Disable proxies and VPN services and test in incognito or a fresh profile to rule out extensions. Inspect your system host's file for accidental hard-coded entries directing domains to wrong IPs, and temporarily pause firewalls or security apps that could block DNS or name resolution while you test. Finish with deeper system repairs and a targeted troubleshooting step. Renew your IP and release any DHCP lease, then reboot the device to ensure a clean network state. Update network drivers and install operating system updates to fix known DNS stack bugs. If the error persists, capture DNS query logs with diagnostic tools to see failures, then escalate to your ISP with the evidence. Often the issue is upstream. If nothing helps, roll back recent network software changes. That often reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.